Okay, hello everyone. So in this video, we will learn about the probability of simple events. Ngayon, bago tayo magsimula sa ating topic about probability of simple events, bibigyan ko muna kayo ng isang game entitled Family Feud. So magkakaroon tayo ng game. So ang gagawin ninyo, isusulat ninyo sa inyong paper kung anong mga sagot. Okay? So ito, top 5 answers are on the screen. I will give you 30 seconds to answer each question or to answer the survey. Okay? So, ito ang question. Magagalit ang babae kung siya ay reregaluhan ng ganitong bulaklak ng isang lalaki. Timer starts now. Magagalit ang babae kung siya ay reregaluhan ng ganitong bulaklak ng isang lalaki. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng 30 seconds para sagutin ang top 5 answers. Nag-survey ng 100 na tao at top 5 answers ang ipapakita ko sa inyo. Okay, timer stops now. Narito ang sagot. Ang unang sagot ay bulaklak ng patay, which is 33 points. Pangalawa ay ang sampagita. Pangatlo ay ang santan. Pang-apat ay ang fake plastic. At ang panglima ay gumamela. Next question. Top 6 answers are on the screen. I will give you 30 seconds to answer this. So, top 6 answers. Here's the question. Kapag sinabihan ka na ang puti mo yata ngayon, ano ang isasagot mo? Timer starts now. So, ano kaya ang isasagot mo kung sinabihan ka ng isang tao na ang puti mo yata ngayon? Nag-survey ng 100 na katao at top 6 answers ay nandyan sa screen natin. Papakita ko mamaya. Kapag sinabihan ka, ang puti mo yata ngayon, ano ang isasagot mo? Last 3 seconds. 2, 1, stop. Narito ang sagot. 31 points ang sumagot ng, o 31 na tao ang sumagot ng hindi lalabas. 16 naman ang sumagot ng naglugluta tayo. 15 ang dahil sa sabon. 13 natural yan. 9 ang sasagot ng salamat. At 5 ang sasagot ng naligo sa gatas. Next question. Minsan, bakit sobrang tagal ng tulog ng isang tao? So, top 4 answers given by 100 people are on the screen. Timer starts now. So, I will give you 30 seconds to answer that. Minsan, bakit sobrang tagal ng tulog ng isang tao? Meron kayong 15 seconds left. Yan. Ano bang mga dahilan? Bakit sobrang tagal ng tulog ng isang tao? 3 seconds. 2, 1, stop. Here's the answer. Top answer ang sumagot ng sobrang pagod. 41 points yon. At ang sobrang puyat o puyat ay sumagot 29 points. Sobrang lamig, 15 na katao. At lasing is 14. Okay? Next question. For the fourth question and last question. Top 6 answers are on the screen. Nag-survey kami ng 100 tao and top 6 answers are on the board. Kung hindi na uso ang toothbrush, ano ang gagamitin mong panlinis ng ngipin? Timer starts now. You have 30 seconds to answer this question. Kung hindi na uso ang toothbrush, Ano ang gagamitin mong panlinis ng ngipin? You still have 15 seconds left. You have to answer the top 6 answers based on the survey ng 100 tao. 2 seconds. 1. Stop. So, narito ang sagot. Ang sumagot na daliri, ang panlinis nila is 30 seconds. Ang sumagot ng dahon ay 19 points. Ang sumagot ng asin ay 19 na katao. Ang sumagot ng toothpick ay 8. Ang sumagot ng tela or cloth or towel ay 8. At ang sumagot ng tawas ay 3. So, meron pa tayong extra na katanungan. Meron pa tayong extra na katanungan dito mga kaibigan. Biglang nag-away ang 2 tao sa sasakyan ng siksikang tren. Ano ang dahilan? Top 6 answers are on the screen. Timer starts now. So may 30 seconds kayo para sagutin ang survey na yan, na sinurvey sa 100 people. You still have 15 seconds left. Biglang nag-away ang 2 tao sa sasakyan na tren. Ano ang dahilan? 3 seconds. 2, 1, stop. Here's the answer. Una, nagkatulakan, which is 46 points. Second is agawan sa upuan, which is 19 points. Ikatlo ay may naapakan, 9 points. At 7 points ang may nabastos o nambastos. And 5 points ang nagkatinginan. At 4 points naman yung may dinukutan. So, yan yung mga points ninyo sa survey natin. Sa ating survey which is Family Feud, na nag-survey sila ng mga 100 na katao. Ngayon, bakit natin pinag-aralan yan with respect to probability? O bakit natin tinalakay yan with respect to probability of simple events? Sapagkat ang survey, mga kaibigan, is a form of probability. Knowing the probability of simple events. Katulad na lang halimbawa, kung magsa-survey ang isang tumatakbong mayor, tumatakbong president, o tumatakbong governor, magsa-survey muna yan sa loob ng mga 500 tao o 1,000 tao, and then after niya mag-survey, doon siya gagawa ng desisyon kung tatakbo ba siya sa eleksyon o hindi. Dahil kung mababa ang kanyang rate sa survey, halimbawa siya ay the possibility na manalo siya is just 2%, then hindi na siya tatakbo dahil sasayangin niya lang yung pera niya, di ba? So, that's the importance of probability in real life situation. Gumagamit ng probability sa real life situation katulad ng survey. That's why sa ating probability, pag-uusapan natin ang importance ng probability una sa lahat sa life situation. Gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, number 1, candidate for election would like to know the possibility of winning the election. So gagawa muna siya ng paraan o is-survey niya muna yung mga tao dun sa lugar nila, dun sa bayan nila, o kung saan man, randomly selected. Titignan niya kung mataas ba yung possibility na pumasa siya or manalo siya sa eleksyon. Dahil kung mababa ang rate niya, hindi na siya magsasayang ng pera para ipamudmod sa mga tao bilang tulong sa kanila. Hindi na siya tutulong, di ba? Pangalawa, a businessman may know the product preference of people in a certain place. So malalaman ng isang businessman kung ano ba yung product preference nila sa isang lugar gamit ang probability. So magsasurvey muna siya dun sa lugar na yon kung ano nga ba ang product na tatangkilikin ng mga tao sa lugar na yon. Kung nababagay ba ay magtayo siya ng hardware sa lugar na yon, o magtayo siya ng school supplies, o magtayo siya ng grocery, o magtayo siya ng salon, or whatever na business na gusto niyang itayo. So, aalamin niya muna yung product preference o kagustuhan ng mga tao sa lugar na yon sa pamamagitan ng survey. Isa-survey niya sila ano bang gusto nilang product sa lugar na yon. Third, the probability of getting ahead when a coin is tossed. Kung pinitik mo ang isang barya, ano ba ang probability na ang magiging resulta nito ay head or tail? Ibig sabihin, kara o cross. Ika-4, knowing the in-demand job abroad. So, titignan mo rin, kung halimbawa ikaw ay estudyante pa lang na magkukuleyo ka pa lang, titignan mo kung ano yung in-demand job sa ibang bansa. Halimbawa sa Asia, ano ang in-demand job sa iba-ibang country sa Asia, iba't ibang country sa Europe, iba't ibang country sa North America. So, diyan ka magbabase ng iyong desisyon kung ano bang course ang gusto mong kunin pagdating ng araw. So, these are the examples of the uses of probability in real life situation. So, let us have an example here. What can you say about the following situation below? So, to live forever on earth. Meron tayong nakalagay dyan na impossible, unlikely, even chance, likely, or certain. Yung impossible, imposible na mangyari. Yung unlikely naman, yan ay medyo posible, pero napakaliit ng chance. Yung even chance, yan naman ay pantay ang chance. Pwedeng manalo ka, pwedeng hindi. Yung likely naman, yan ay malamang na mangyari, pero hindi pa sigurado. Pero pag sinabing certain, 100% it will happen. Mangyayari yun kasi certain. Okay? Now, to live forever on earth. Mabuhay ng walang katapusan dito sa mundo. Ano ang masasabi nyo tungkol dito sa statement na ito? Yan ba impossible, unlikely, even chance, likely, or certain? Now, the correct answer is impossible, because that is impossible to happen here on earth. Hindi ka pwedeng mabuhay ng magpakailanman dito sa mundo. Pwede ka lang mabuhay dito mga pinakamatagal na siguro mga 100 years. Wala nang higit pa, siguro hanggang 110 years, ganyan. Next, win a lotto draw. Manalo sa loto. Ibig sabihin, yan ba ay imposible? Yan ba ay maliit ang chance or unlikely? Yan ba ay pantay ang chance or even chance? Yan ba ay malamang na mangyari or likely? O yan ba ay siguradong mangyari? The correct answer is unlikely. May posibilidad na manalo ka sa loto, pero napakaliit lang ng tsansa. Sabi nga nila, yung manalo ka daw sa loto ay para ka daw yung chance na tamaan ka ng kidlat. So, maliit ang chance. Next, number 3, probability of getting ahead when a coin is tossed. Ano daw ang posibilidad na lumabas ay kara o yung mukha kapag pinitik mo ang isang barya? Di ba may dalawang mukha ang barya? Merong kara, merong cross. O merong tao, merong cross. Sa English, head or tail. Anong masasabi mo tungkol sa probability of getting ahead when a coin is tossed? The correct answer is even chance. Pantay lang Pwedeng maging head, pwedeng maging tail. Pwedeng maging head yan or tail. Walang pagkakaiba. 50% head, 50% tail. Even chance. Ikaapat, becoming a good student. Anong masasabi mo about becoming a good student? The answer is likely. Posible yan at madali lang yan. So napakalaki yung posibilidad na maging good student ka. Madali lang. Ha? Kalima, the sun will rise again. The sun will rise again. Ibig sabihin, sisikat muli ang araw. Anong masasabi mo tungkol sa statement na yan? Base dito sa nakasulat sa baba. The correct answer is certain. Kasi sigurado yan na mangyari yan. Sigurado na kung ngayon ay gabi, tomorrow, sisikat muli ang araw. Sigurado yan. O kung hindi man sumikat kaagad ang araw, kasi may mga lugar na hindi sumisikat ang araw sa tamang oras, darating pa rin yung oras na sisikat yung araw. So, that is certain or sigurado or 100% chance of occurring or happening. Ayan. Those are the answers to the given statements. Now, this situation involves probability. Now, what is probability? Probability is the mathematical term for the likelihood that something will occur, such as drawing an ace from a deck of cards or picking a green piece of candy from a bag of assorted colors. So as you can see, it is a mathematical statement of likelihood or possibility that something will occur. Katulad halimbawa, drawing an ace. Sa Tagalog is pagbunot ng alas sa isang baraha, deck of cards, o pagpili ng green na piece ng candy mula sa bag na may assorted colors. That is probability. Now let us go to sample space and events. Now we had already defined probability, so I will not anymore elaborate that. Let's go to sample space. What is sample space and event? Event is one outcome or collection of outcome. So ito yung probable or favorable outcome, yung inaasahan mo. Halimbawa, ang isang babae is pregnant. Ang inaasahan niya ay lalaki ang magiging anak niya. So yung lalaki, yun yung event. Yun yung event, yung inaasahan niya or favorable outcome. While sample space is the name or is the number of all the possible outcomes in an experiment. So ito namang sample space, ito naman ang lahat ng possibility. So in the example that I given a while ago, halimbawa ang isang babae ay buntis. The possibility or all the possibility na inaasahan niya or the sample space is two genders. Pwedeng lalaki, pwedeng babae. Pero kung ano ang chance na yan ay lalaki, yung lalaki, yun yung event. Yun yung isang event. Isa out of two possibilities. Now, the probability of an event is the ratio that compares the number of favorable outcomes to the number of all possible outcomes. So, ang formula niyan, mga kaibigan, is P equals to E over S. Whereas E stands for the event and S stands for the sample space. Ayan. So, yung number of favorable outcomes o yung E, event, yan yung inaasahan natin. And the number of all possible outcomes, yan naman yung sample space natin. So, we must remember the formula of probability of event, which is equal to P equal to E over S. Now let us have an example here. Example number 1. When you toss a certain coin once, what is the probability that it will land head? Ano ang posibilidad na ito ay magiging head o kara pag pinitik mo ang isang barya? Ngayon, ang pagkuha ng probability ng isang bagay is equal to the event over the sample space. Now, let us study the sample space. The sample space in this given experiment is head and tail. Dalawa ang possibilities niya. While the event or the favorable outcome is only one, and that is the head. Okay? So we have P of H, or you can complete that as P of head is equal to, yan, there are two sample spaces, the head and the tail. The favorable outcome here is the head. So the probability of getting a head when you toss a coin once is 1 over 2, because there is only one favorable outcome over two possible outcomes. So that is our answer. When you toss a coin once, that is the answer. That is the probability of getting a head. Now let us have another example. Example number 2. A pair die tossed once. What is the probability of getting an even number? Now let me just inform you, mga kaibigan, na ang die na tinutukoy dyan is the singular form of dice. Pag plural, you call it dice, not dices. Pag singular, you call it die. A die has 6 faces. Numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 ang mukha niya. Now, what is the probability of getting an even number from this die, which is tossed once? Pinarolyo mo o pinaikot mo itong dice na ito, ano ang probability na makukuha mo ay even numbers? Remember, even numbers are divisible by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. Now, in this given pair die, ibig sabihin pantay, wala siyang pinapaboran na number na lalabas. Ang sample space natin, or the possible outcomes, there are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the favorable outcome, o yung inaasahan natin, are only 3, which is 2, 4, and 6. 6. So, 2, 4, and 6, tatlo lang. So, the probability of getting an even number is equal to 3 over 6. Or you can reduce that by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 3, and you will get 1/2. So, our answer is equal to 1/2. Now, let us have the next example, number 3. A coin, or tossing a coin twice. Now, this is twice naman, dalawang beses. What is the probability of getting 2 heads? Okay? Pinitik mo ang isang barya ng dalawang beses. Ano ang probability na dalawang head ang makukuha mo? 2 heads. Ayan, 2H is equal to HH, HT, TH, and tail. Yan ha. So, yan ang lahat ng possible outcomes. Pwedeng head-head, pwedeng head-tail, pwedeng tail-head, pwedeng tail-tail. Now, the favorable outcome is 2 heads. Ayan yun. So, now, the probability of getting 2H is equal to 1/4. Isang favorable outcome out of 4 possible outcomes. And that is our answer. Okay. Now, I will give you board work. Okay. So, isolve nyo ito sa board. Given a spinner on the figure below, determine the probability of spinning P of red. Now you can answer that on the board. Probability of getting a red from that spinning spinner. Okay, you have to answer that. Now the correct answer is P of red is equal to 1/4 because there is only one red out of 4 possible outcomes. Next, what is the probability of getting green? Now the correct answer is P of green is equal to 1/4 because there is only one green out of 4 possible outcomes. Number 3, probability of getting blue. The correct answer is also 1/4. There is one blue out of 4 possible outcomes. And last board work. According to Pag-asa, you need to answer this. According to Pag-asa, there is a 70% chance of raining. Now the question is, how many percentage that it will not rain? How many percentage that it will not rain? What's your answer? So the correct answer is 30%. Because if there is a 70% of chance of raining, definitely there is only 30% chance that it will not rain. Second question, what is the probability of choosing a day in a week that starts with letter S? Now you need to count the possible outcomes and count also the event. How many days in a week starts with letter S? Now the correct answer is 2/7 because there are 2 days in a week that starts with letter S, and that is Sunday and Saturday, over 7 days. Number 3, what is the probability of choosing a month in a year that starts with letter J? I had already shown you the answer, so the correct answer is 3/12. What are those month of the year that starts with letter J? January, June, and July. Over 12. So 3 out of 12. Next, question number 4. What is the probability of choosing a letter S from the word assessment? Now the correct answer is 4/10, or that is equivalent to 2/5, because there are 4 letter S out of 10 letters in the word from the word assessment. Okay? So now I will give you a seat work. You need to draw a spinner below. You need to draw the spinner below and determine the probability of the following event. So we have the probability of getting yellow, probability of getting green, probability of getting red, probability of getting blue, and probability of getting pink. So that is your seat work. Copy and answer. Draw the figure and color it, and answer the probability of the following events. Okay, now for your additional activity. Okay, I will ask you to answer the following question. One card is randomly drawn from a standard deck of playing card. What is the probability that the card drawn is letter A, diamond, letter B, 5, letter C, 2 of heart, and letter D, A or ace? Okay? So, remember class na meron tayong 52 cards in a standard deck of playing card. Meron tayong 13 na heart, 13 na diamond, 13 na pamaypay, and 13 na bulaklak. So, all in all, there are 52 cards in a standard deck of playing card. So, iisipin ninyo ilan ba ang diamond out of 52. Yun yung letter A. Letter B, ilan ba yung 5 dun sa baraha out of 52? Letter C, ilan ba yung 2 of hearts? 2 of hearts sa standard deck of playing card, which is 52. At ilan ba yung ace or yung alas? Over 52. So that is your additional activity. You have to answer that, and your teacher will show you the correct answer. So that's all for now, class. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell below this video so that you will be updated with our future uploads in this channel. So that's all for now, and as always, have a nice day, everyone.